Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle walking God. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle walking God. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle walking God. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle walking God. Your name is Yahweh. Breaking news. Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. Somebody just called me just now. Give me one sharp Ogbonge update. Ogbonge. The update sweet me for belle. Abatobaze, the crack timbers, the boss of the crack team, Asaka no Sogyomba, Asaka no Syoge Godino Baseke, Asaka no Syoge Do, Abatobaze. I cannot do it alone. I cannot do it alone. Who said, oh boy, Phoebe, who said, they no monarch beorwe. Who said, they no monarch beorwe? Who said, hey. This update suits me. They say how they meet Dion badly. Yeah. They say how they meet Dion badly. What you say? Badly. Baddestly, oh, badly. Hey. Igor, free money and the money when you work for not be the same. They say guy and they meet guy. I don't say after I cast a 419 foundation for here. They say they open no but they say they open no and they say that put again. That was they open the office. They tried to do something, but they not be like before. When Dion they did the town, they walk out, they go ring road, they do video, they go they do some kind of stuff. They do some kind of arrange poor people who arrange some kind of poor people. They go tell them what they want to talk. That's problem. You know, if when they ring, gonna do live calls. People gonna call in. Omanuwa burena wa jame. Ya wani gore. Ya katime. Na katime ari eyi. We wala ye first bank ni wa jame. Ya kashat. I kashat. Ina we boy na. In a way, boy, nah. In a way, boy, nah. Attack Barakba. No, Goji. Attack Barakba. In a way, attack Barakba. In a way, boy, attack Barakba. No. You know, observe it. That's why color. You know, color. You know, color. You know, color. You know, color. Color. The guy struggle. The guy strong. I will go maybe I load there. Have you carried any men lie? You know where they carry my name pass. See my pictures where they all these small native daughters. Even politicians, they carry my picture, they go different native daughter. How about this our problem? How about this our problem? How about this one? How about this one? How about this one? Then they carry my picture. Yeah, I say, oh, Egba. You know they work. You know why? I am fighting the right cause. I am doing the right thing. If you want to scam where? If you want to scam where? Go abroad. Go press laptop. Make it see whether it's easy. Don't scam our people that are hardworking in diaspora. Don't take advantage of them. Don't take their attention. Don't take their attention away from their family, from their friends, from their community. If you want to scam, go and scam. But don't scam our people that are managing. So I colora. No, they're not coming. They had a WhatsApp group that time. Gossip family WhatsApp group. Name from morning to night. About to is online. Everybody create what? If you cannot insult him with your real account, create a pseudo account. Create proxy account. Go and insult about. They give command to market to married women. He was small boy, small rat like him. One of him managed home. Was giving command to married women when they platform. Me they come they insult me. I know relate. I calora. In your bed foundation, I silter. Now I pursue him. I'm not pursuing. He arrested me 2 times. Area command and AIG. You know work. He come by, going to beg my lawyer. My lawyer say Abba is going to press charges for false accusation. You accuse Abba Tobaze of robbing, of leading people to rob your wife's shop. You cannot prove it. He carry people go to beg my lawyer. The case is still there. I feel rise them at any time. He wrote and said, Benin people. He started insulting the people all over the world. He tried to demonize our race. To say Benin people, they don't like better thing. Benin people, this was insulting everybody. After facing severe frustration, you my Gary, all the in diasporas come back. Come over second side, governor side. It can get very few illiterates when they with her. You go my Gary, most of those illiterates don't even send him money. The real people that were sending him money, they all moved to the Togba family side. About Togba, oh God. Oh, you not gonna go? And the guy called base go Lagos. If it is as he reach Lagos, I call some people from Lagos. Hey, one attack rapper just enter your state. You people should monitor him. We just chased him out of Edo for operating fraudulent foundation. You guys should monitor his activities in Lagos. Now we be contact. When you say contact, now we be contact. We get internet. We know how to use our internet. We know how many mails we write to some ministries for Lagos. Say Ekima go Edo, every go Edo ko. He do Lagos don't work. As yesterday they pay what's it called, unemployment benefit for America. Now enter America. Now is surviving on unemployment money that US government is paying to people that are not employed. John is always proud of what he's supposed to be ashamed of. A youth, a young boy that is less than 40. Is proud that he's collecting unemployment benefits. He's collecting unemployment money monthly. A youth. When you want to work for your life, when you want to work, your children go grow. You take them around your investment. Say, I acquired this when I was also age. I acquired this when I was also age. I did this when I was age 40. I did it when I was 35. I did it when I was 30. At what age? You are supposed to be ashamed of yourself that you don't have a functioning company in America, as we speak. When all America at the age of 22 or 23. As we speak, you don't have a functioning business in America. You might fear in Nigeria when they go work for your company for America. You wasted the bulk of your life in America. You came to Nigeria. You created a platform, a scam foundation, started scamming our people in Europe. Because America and Canada are not for put. Now very few people don't go to school. Now very few illiterate for America and Canada that save you money. Your focus, your target now, Europe, those people will follow C. Who don't fit think for themselves. You finish them. You divided homes. The other things when you do, I don't will talk, go that side for now. Most of these young guys that are into scamming our women, their major target are women. Now very few men and they fall put. Now during this last politics, there's some men fall into this their chief scam. Their target is mainly women that are very emotional. They start playing on their intelligence. They start blackmailing them emotionally. Then another tool that they use is they try to date these women. They try to go into online relationship with these women. They will call them about mommy, call you, mommy, where say man, where say you are miss when I call you where you are miss where they will start with if you were young, this way my marry, well me I want marry. You know those guys hear whenever you hear those things, women. Some the husband have, but they don't feel remember the last time when their husband tell them say I love you. They go see one small online extortionist when they say, mommy, you are just my mother. You are. I wish I never marry. I for marry you. I love you so much, mommy. They'll begin before you know they don't get these women. They don't quack them. They begin to fall. They do relationship. Some even go as far as sleeping with women when old to bond them. Or for money, or to cage these rich women. Some will be telling some of these women in Europe to be doing phone sex with them, some romance, different things to cage these women. I said no, not be telling me that this kind of thing will happen. I descend on now. I descend. Almost all of them, even Amigo was at a point. And Amigo was even selling ID card. Illiterate and Amigo was pretty PF. It's a lowa. SNE new Viedo Yanuwa. Again, the moon, all these enemies when they gather everywhere. Now because of now, dope people all over the world. Now because of Una. Even an Amigo that cannot spell his name. If you give it an Amigo Byro. That pain is like a bag of meat. And Amigo cannot spell it, cannot write his name. And Amigo was now printing ID card. And Amigo was going to Europe to send ID card to people for 100 euro, 200 euro. And Amigo will be telling our people in camp that if they get PFA ID card, with that ID card, they will give them documents. And Amigo was even telling people that with that ID card, that anywhere, even if they want to deport them, if they bring the PFM ID card out, they were just looking for every avenue to steal from the diaspora. But I'm sorry. Sorry, we are back. We're back. I think we're back. Please share this broadcast. My internet is kind of... Yes, my internet. I think we are back. Please share this broadcast. We are back. So, before I come begin to clamp down on these guys. In our Kalia, I think sometime last 2 years, the whole of Europe now, all of them did not create foundation. All of them don't do foundation. Hey, you help me go as create office, open this one. I say, yeah. In a swan, Kalia, kwa. No, John cannot mess with my network. No, John cannot mess with my network. John cannot mess with my network. We are back now. I just switched to the other phone. I know what happened. So I'll switch to the second phone. People are still trying to watch me from the other streaming. They will join us shortly. So I mama them. And Romigo with his short legs and his short hands. That's what Romigo hand be. With his short dwarf legs and his small hand like this. With the big belly. See they go Europe. That time say one give people freedom for Europe. I descend on them. I open people. People when they open their eye, they insult me. About jealousy, envy. Go create your own. Leave it around people alone. Leave genocide alone. And I want to make sure the other people when I stop them from extorting people. Because some of them my guys now. I don't want to make sure their names. So as we speak today, Dion, they say that we go start school. So I am resetting their brain, but they don't know, they don't acknowledge, they don't give me credit. I am resetting their brain. Not be me, I'm not go back to school. After almost 20 years in America, and I'm not can't remember, can't know say you go to school. I am resetting their brains. I am trying to reboot their life to say it is not over until it's over. You can still do something with your life. If not be me today, Romigo for nothing go school. Romigo is back to school, but Romigo, please focus. So also not fail. Romigo, focus. Just focus on your school. Don't be distracted. So tomorrow you don't blame me. Say I fail, how about make me fail? Please focus. And for Dion, at your age, you're less than 40. You are collecting unemployment money monthly. You are a disgrace. We are hardworking adults across the globe that are praying for that opportunity to have that American document to work and set up a structure that will create room for other Nigerians, for adults to also join them. At your age, you don't have a base. You are squatting America. You don't have a house of your own. You are squatting with people in America just to collect unemployment benefits. You like to cash in on every bad side of any economy. You are using that to buy time. While you are doing that, you are trying to see if a blessing and your staff here will feel revive your debt foundation so you can come back and continue from where you stop. But me, Abatobaze, I will not give you Podaro. I attended a diaspora meeting yesterday with some women that came for this inauguration. I don't want to mention somebody's name. They called one of my friend here. They tried to settle. I said, we don't have issues. We don't have issues. I will not close my eyes and watch very lazy youth take advantage of the love Edo people have for their state. Most people in America, in Canada, in Europe, they've done well for themselves. God has blessed them. They are looking for every opportunity to give back to the society that raised them. So that's why I always try to show them how they can give back to the society genuinely without anyone taking advantage of them. Mehwigo, Menwina, I know how it is to get money. Last week, somebody called me and said, Okmalugu, I mean, Okmalugu yatia. Umagen oe. Umascam. Umagen Oscam is scam. Umake foundation where no way have you money ladia, no way have you money poor ladia, no way I make you go, Umagen or warre. That's what they call me. They call me Okmalugu. Image oe. What that means is you are not scamming people, you don't also want others to scam. Because they believe the easy way to make money is through all this fast. They call it fast lane. Fast lane. You take advantage of people. They say you are making money. We silly money with that one. So I am glad. I am happy. I am happy to inform you this night that Zion is struggling in the United States of America. The unemployment money they are paying him is not enough. You know, say diaspora spoiler with money. You know, you go Sakawa. Zion will never bath. Zion will never see money for eye. Come begin to wear gold. They wear expensive gold chain. They wear designers. They travel, pure. I told him then, 2 years ago, I said, what this life you're living now is not sustainable. You are a beggar. Hardworking people always look for opportunity to make money. Why beggars will continue to beg? Beggars always beg. If you don't give them the room to beg, they will protest. They are ready to even kill. Go to Ring Road now, go stop those try to remove those beggars from there. And then you know say many of those beggars they do like this, they get money past you. How much you get? How much you hold? And suppose for these beggars, you went there abroad and say, let me just say some person. He get money past you. He's sucking more than 1,000 of your kind of person. Okay, Okmalugu no abi Okmalu selu. Iya Okmalu selu ki image no eh. One of them will tell me say Albert that get the highest diaspora contact. When you say people with diaspora genuinely love, they love Albert die. But they don't know why Albert no they take advantage. Why they don't really take advantage of that popularity. Hey, let me tell you. I have people that I respect in diaspora. I have people that reach out to me in diaspora. I have people that believe in me, that want to do business with me in future. I won't use one miserable 500 euro, $1,000, $100, 200 euro to spoil my name. Igual effect gege. May I hold today? May I make money today? And I put many from where on this so. If I get here, I want blow. I want this powerful car. I want them to help me for town. I don't want effect get here. The only thing I am praying for, if they bring God, give me all I need to give my children good education. That is my prayer. I've never dreamt of owning a duplex in Banana Island. I've never thought of buying properties in Lagos, Abuja, or only buying Rolls Royce, big boy, everybody can hear me. My own is give me the means. Provide for me to give my children quality education that someone like me never had access to when I was growing up. That's my prayer. So that's why uneasily they moved. Like I was interacting with some women yesterday. They were like, you sound very rude. You sound very rude. Where am I going to Tana? And I was, madam, you can be the richest black or the richest Edo woman anywhere in Kenukere. Only if not carry me away, I will tell you the truth. I don't care. Do feel it, do not feel it. So my Edo people, John is the chief online extortionist is their leader. There is a serious gang up now. They are meeting. They are calling themselves to say, Albert now, I don't see their fire. It's solid fire. It's, oh God. Richard, I see you. Other Richard, my man, I see you. I tear their fire. I carry their fire like this. When they scam people, I tear them. So anything we see, they know. You now old work and they cheat now. Old work, old people when they believe that. Hello, Mama, you know they call me again. You know they call me again. And because Abba, Abba will your talk now. You believe. Abba will your talk now. You believe. Mama, you know they pick my call again. Mama, they will call. You know they pick my call. Before this kind of time, you go, you still look, just send me something. But now, because Abba just be brainwashed now. Now they listen to me again. Beggar. You're a beggar. If you don't get what you want to use that your documented to John, come to Nigeria. I guess some smart young guys that are very hardworking. They don't have opportunity to travel out. Give them the documents. Give them that document. Make them go there. If they reach there, John, I tell you, in 3 years, those guys, they will take care of you. If the house they find, they'll build that for you. If the motor you they find, well, whatever. December day, what day? Have you le kutenia and so have a tour? No one le ya here. One le from one restaurant to one be a palo to be a palo. No me I hope. Not like where few to the happy way. Bring that document and look for somebody for him and give the person. Make go hustle. If me enter America today or Canada, say I not going see the kind of job I find. I go find money back, what I go do back. And I said they do the Uber, I'm gonna do live video. When you see me, they do back. Let's see. Money when you use your hand, they make. When you eat time. And then nobody can come to social media and harass me. Nobody, if you come to social media, can't talk to me anyhow. So I am glad to inform Edo people that I have succeeded in exposing John. John is no longer that rich, spoilt boy. That rich, where you say phone. I remember the first meeting, peace meeting. Yeah, you go here and got a piece here. Peace. Settle. Whenever I see me get social media issue with anybody, I'm going to look for settlement. Who settlement? I've been a fool. I've been a fool. I'm not someone say, I never go. I've been a fool. But me, if before they get issue, settle. I remember the first time when they called me and Jeff for meeting. He phoned the ring. Text message the enter. Alert. We talk, they call lies. Say, let me also. Don't disturb my work. Hey, I got the way. Don't puff way. As if talk that in my head balls. As I say, can't you scam white people? Not scam white. If you're really good in this business, why you scam your fellow Edo people? Why? Today is struggling. That time they got a bad chieftaincy title. He was even throwing mats at our palace. Say they don't honor. Other people they honor for that people land. For your own land, they don't honor. Now for a man, by this time I will not call and give a title, chieftaincy title. He buy for his land, buy for Igbo land. Anywhere they buy award. If anybody where the hungry say, I'm gonna come give me an award for office. He was just busy doing nonsense. In our color. On a day. So my people, please, by next week, I'm going to work on a platform. I'm trying to reach out to 1 or 2 persons that are very credible for us to reach out to the poorest of the poor in this December. For us to reach out to the poorest of the poor. If you see anybody do live video show you poor people, you can't give them money, insist on the person's account number. Insist. If I bring somebody online to say, want to help this person, insist on the person's direct contact. Establish a relationship with the person. I may be the man in a charity. Say, oh, please, can I have the person's phone number? Is that where we just pay rent for social person? We just buy grinding machine for social person. We just open one year kiosk for social person. Is that empowerment? Just link one generous person to poor person and say, Oga, I beg, just take care of this family. We have people outside the country we God bless. They can be giving some families here 50K monthly for the next 5 years. They don't go shake. They don't go shake. We have people in diaspora that can give scholarship to most of our children. Don't block them. They don't be the man. Go and walk. They don't be the man. Go and walk. Don't block anybody. If you see any poor person and you see somebody when they try for abroad, link them. Connect them. By next year, by the grace of God, we are going to have 1,000 adults paying school fees for 1,000 children. We are going to have 1,000 adults minimum. We identify some families that cannot train their children. We will pick one. We will connect them to somebody for diaspora. For either Lagos. When I say diaspora, I don't mean outside the country. Diaspora is adults in Lagos, adults in Abuja, adults in Port Harcourt, adults outside the country. We connect them. That person go train the people reach secondary to university level. If you see poor woman when they try to struggle for market, we will connect you to somebody who will assist you. You know when you give somebody 100K tomorrow, make get 45 children, make go do business. Now from the business you go to feed the children. After 6 months or 1 year, the business will collapse. You say this woman also having do business. You know how much now they feed the family, they are feeding on the young business. If maybe the person never get children, now you give her 100K. If they manage, after some time, you don't pick for a marry. If you give woman when get 5 children, now maybe the husband not get work. If school fees, so they will buy book, textbook, picking on well, this one, malaria. It's from the business. After 6 months, the business will collapse. You tell me the woman cannot do business. When they say you will give her the 100K in one night, if you burn that 100K, then you expect that woman to survive for straight 1 year with 100K with 5 children. So if you connect that kind of person to a generous giver, that one will feel easily relate. You say, mama, I have business. Business was mama, but the material we may know why issue now. Why you go? Okay, Eddie, don't touch your market money. I will send the money to mommy they can go hospital. Trust me, those children that you are investing in, if God bless one, one of them come made. Trust me, your investment not be lost. So please, don't allow anybody. If you see different WhatsApp group, if not be me, then they fear to even ask diaspora for money now because of me. And they call me social media police. They say, who made that police? So they police everybody. Go and walk. Leave our people alone. Don't take their attention. If you don't get family members to help, go help people from your area. Go to your village. Ask for my yesterday. But then you say you get money, they roll your mouth. Go and renovate the secondary school in your village. Go build market for them, for your village. Go give them water. Go to your village and build a hall. Do something. Go to the market in your community, in your area, in your village and say, I need 50 women here. Give the 50 women 10,000. Let go and judge their market. Don't come here and show off. are suffering. Please. So, John, I understand that you are suffering now in America. You are suffering. Is suffering. Don't be deceived by all those clothes where they wear. You're the guys. Costing that video. Hey, oh boy died. Oh boy was died. Hey, you go get it about it Becky. But Becky, by next year, we will do our best to make sure rich Edos connect with families that are struggling. That's what we are going to do. I'm still trying to connect with one or two people with integrity. How do we help our people? How do we connect the rich with the poor? As I told you so now, you say they'll go create WhatsApp. They are very smart. They cannot think. But they always have this ulterior motive to use their platform to scam people. So people, don't be in a hurry. I am never in a hurry to come up with any idea. But trust me, anything I do is for the development of our state. And that man, that woman, that cannot survive. Things stay difficult. So even me say, I will not ask myself, if me like this can be struggling, what about that ordinary man on the street? How are they coping with this economic hardship? How are they coping? So when I see some politicians that converting public resources to their personal, or the like, which kind of heart these politicians get? People are dying, people are suffering. We are lacking in basic amenities. You just see senators, House of Rep, House of Assembly, though they just also for properties to buy. They are always looking for properties to buy. They won't buy and wait for their children. When the people they are representing are suffering. Competition. Me, I'm not in competition with anybody. That's why I'm never moved. If I see they succeed genuinely, I will praise them. If I see they scam people, when they take advantage of people, I will criticize them. So please don't form mugu for anybody. Things are tough now. Please, just do something. It's not that listen to me. If you never send money go Nigeria to your mama, to your sister, if you are in a family, you don't get who you trust for the family. Now you be a bad person. If for full family, you don't get one person where you fit send message. Either your sister Pikino, your younger brother, your other sister, your relative, your neighbor, someone you want to grow together. You don't get one person where you feel trust. Say now, but when you see for Facebook yesterday, then you can't trust. You don't see one person, now you be the bad person. Buy food. They say 10 bags of rice. It's expensive. Now only una fit afford that now. Una wey get am. I'm talking to, there are people that are listening to me now that don't have access. By the end of God, if I get people that want to share bags of rice, I also know when to do live video to say, I have somebody that wants to give out 20 bags of rice to 40 families. If you get money to buy 20 bags of rice, I will look for the 40 families that will share an alpha bag. You know that this is about now only oil they'll go look for. Now Maggi they'll go look for. Now chicken they'll go look for. They're okay, a bag for throughout the December period. Do something. Don't make I just do this one, make they hear me. So people that time they send your money just because they want to make you mention their name. Mama just sent money. Mama, I hear you. Mama, you know, say, mama, you know I got love for you, Mama. Mama, you know you are the best. Mama, wash. Jobo Takbarakba. No gush. So please, the Unitide season is fast approaching. Please, as I tell you about John updates, our hand to the meter. Make una take this message before una sleep. Please do everything possible to support one family this December. One. Just do one. One family. Just one. One. We don't know whether the rice will reach 40,000 or 45,000 this December. If you have money, buy now. Me don't buy some. If I get money, I go buy joy. If my mate dey share 10, I fit share 5 bags. If my mate dey share 20, I fit share 10. If my mate dey share 50, I fit share 25. Do something. Make one family wey no get. Look for somebody say, if you want to wake up from upper, Ugbi Oko side, reach out. You know, if you go your village where you for broke, go put solar for their market, put charging port. Go your village, build a town hall, put solar panel for all. Do something that put your name. Your children go come grow say that my grandfather and I do this thing. Do something. Go to your school. Donate chairs. They don't use a Kanawa Nae to the Skamuna. Kanawa Nae. Kanawa Nae. So my people, I greet you now. Please, before you sleep, remember that some families they just believe when they don't go bed, they see without food. Maybe the small food where they made, their mother will say, "Mona go sleep like that. Tomorrow we will eat that and go school." So we'll wake up. So we'll later wake up 3 o'clock in the morning. Later 2 o'clock they cry. You see their mother will come, they look one side. So women, when they cry for night, they will see their children, they cry, no food. You that have excess, sometimes you go even beat your children, say they don't eat. Hey, how are they? We have children. They never ever express and say their mama cook, they don't feel eat. They never ever express that. Because food don't ever reach ground, don't say they can't cook, they don't eat. I don't remember what my friend they do live video, say see food when they all cook. The children don't eat food. Children don't eat. I don't know, you don't know what you want to do there. I shake my head. God has blessed you. Give your children the best. Take care of them. As you are doing that, as they pay your children school fees at the end of the beginning of every term, remember, say there are some kids that their parents cannot pay school fees for. As you are giving your children that delicious meal, please remember that there are some children that are going to bed with empty stomach. Let us fix this country. Our leaders have failed us. Let's come together. Let's unite. Let's help the less privileged. I know the way I take grow. That's why when it comes to the issue of poor people, and they're very, very concerned. The reason why I don't have a foundation yet is because they've messed up foundation activities. It's not for fraudulent people, for people that want to take advantage. That's why I've not been able to create foundation to touch poor people. Foundation. So don't listen to anybody. If you say anybody do good thing for social media, thank them. First, go fix your community first. Go fix your village. Go fix your family. Fix the people within your mama street. If this is the time you send your mama 10 bags of rice, share up all those women who don't get for that street. The next year, that's so good that they greet your mama. Ah, Obia visit Gima last year. Oh, Obia will say that they pray for you. If now chicken share. We don't want to do the day self-centered. Do something for people. Do something. You don't need to put out. If you want to put out on social media, fine, put out. That will encourage other people to do. So people say, if you are helping the poor, keep your camera at home. No. The only way you keep your camera at home is when you want to record, to go use the record, you take collect money. But if you are doing it genuinely, record, upload. That will inspire others to also do the same thing. And so me see am. So my people, for now sit down, they could not greet him. It's not easy for the guy. Free money, now they come again. Many other people they do scam for this town, where they like to collect money from diaspora. All they manage. I don't spoil their work, because to them I work. Now also the visit they also. And that's put their work. So if you now see them on a holler them, before you send anybody money, I beg you, help your people first. Thank you very much. I see my boss, Ogejinaya. I see Mr. Enofe. I see my elder brother, Emmanuel Baze. These are great men. These are men that are doing things for their people. These are men who remember, say they get family back home. So thank you very much. Well, if your boy on here go having the foundation on yeke, what I will say, Isalian, Ivalian, so Igbiya Equa, right Daniel, right Dan or Cognac, Igbequa. What I will say. Someone just give me updates. They will tell me, talk say, I never get up there about the papa property for America. Say government don't even take the property. So Saige was not on ground to pay Juma to pay mortgage. He said government don't carry the property on money, only on more. Saige on more. Your young pretty wife, you say you're Canada. You say you want me? We are done. You say you America. You say you Canada. You say you want me? Oh yeah, is sure you Bible and all so appreciate. Oh, with the friend, Samu January. Well, the Agmaria who Ododan. Oh, there is males a few there who want me. You know, when always so I preach. The Facebook over there. Omodio. It's Saturday. Oh, Kundayo. We are the way. But pretty young woman. Go and spend time. Semigo Aye Canada. Go do 1 year with your wife. I make it an agree. Go glue with your wife, bloat or not. I mean, go down on it. When I delete it, not be on your phone. That I go away. The America. Go and take Canada. From there, you know, you feel to go Canada and do 2 weeks. You still run call Nigeria. What thing you today? No fit sit down, you build what they call home. No boy, no, you call build what they call Ogiso. Eh? Ogiso, why are you here? Agabagebe. Anyway, you met here, but I'm just telling you, way, Semigo I, Uhuego Bene, go and face your home. Tomorrow, nobody blame that woman if maybe something bad only happen for the marriage. No come with Bina, we no mwezo. Osaige, bo wukan webe Canada ya ota ko wukan. Ale de ye ki ye more. Wa ruwe mo no be kiakisi ne. We bo right gbe wa ku. Abe ikori re Canada ni eni mo do ya wa be o. I am jealous again. Say no, I am not understanding. Please. You want to know more the family. Hey, I'm not oh, Sunday. Very irresponsible. Very irresponsible. So my people, I also better give you an update. Better give you an update. So what they don't say, I man not say me go. No, your mother, family okay. The little investment no way the foundation we acquire, we don't manage it. You don't hear anything. They don't already empower and don't try. But you go no carry me 1 million, 3 million, 10 million. Give me. You don't see that money again. No free money, don't see anything. But Obaze, this go yeah kwa. Yeah man like it, they do press now. So you check some of their wall and then they share each other post now, and they hate themselves now. And there will be committee of online extortionists. When you go one way, when I have fear, that's where I go. So thank you very much for so I gave Halaran. Can I say life it go better? Life is ups and down. It will better for us. Thank you very, very much. But don't forget this message. Help one person. Help one family this December. Please, no matter how little, help somebody. Let us share the little we have. Help somebody. Please help somebody. Before you go help somebody for outside, make sure you help somebody for your family first to carry on here. Kawuyo bonumane etwenule mo we de ni amu uyo bogian do mo do body go gian fi ba gian give them food as any wa ma gbo ma why now man he call you calm down, fix your family. If your family dey okay, there's some family everybody don't blow for the family, take and go the neighbor. All those areas where you for grow, those your friends when they gather they play, but many there where they manage, they reach out to them. Please. Thank you very much. Palipa, Padi, this is my guy. The food you want to share December, give people for your area for welfare. Now the same area where you for grow. You will snap and say, give me. Padi, where go go when the channel, you will snap and quite snap away back together. I need there we are right area. Who snap who send it go. I will personally monitor you. For you, my guy. So thank you very much. Good night. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.